So this is salad here, cucumber. I just sliced the cucumber from the yard, and potatoes, some garbanzos or some chickpeas, some of the herbs. Yeah, and also this cucumber, I didn't remove the seeds this time because I choose like bit younger cucumber. And we got the potatoes. We got cubes of purple light cook, some celery, some cut of green or white grapes. See that? Yummy. And some stuff, kind of lettuce. I got this one or two of them, and slices of tomato here. A real organic tomato that I planted in our yard. So a reason I removed this, so I can plant some of the seeds as well. They are sweet tomato, by the way, nice and juicy. So I keep it, wash them and keep, and then I try, and then I chop this in the ground and regrow again. The reason I remove seeds, as you guys notice, the seeds is not meant to eat. Even this cucumber too, but when they are young it's okay. But also the tomato, it just give me different reaction in my gut, so I remove the seeds instead. That's who I am when I was even little, guys. My mom and dad used to wonder around why this kind of kid doesn't like the tomato seeds. Whenever they give a like salad, fresh pepino or fresh cucumber, some lettuces back home, and some other fruits, and including with the tomato and that and papaya or something, they notice that I always sit aside the tomato. My mom and dad ask why, because I don't like the tomato. It's sour, not sweet. It's like here, it's sour tomato. So I guess it's something has to do with the soil. Our soil back home. Here, tomato, when you put the cow manure or chicken manure and sea salt, it's sweet, you know, nice. But I remove them so I don't have a trouble in the guts. Yeah. That's yummy. A little bit of vinegar. Grab your uncle. Apple cider vinegar. Tiny bit of this. And add some cheese, a lot of cheese. Oh, that's so nice. Alright, bon appetit.